So my look for tonight, I think is very Saint Laurent. Elegant and classic, but also sort of bold. It's very American Gigolo to me. A bit 80s, like retro, futuristic. I love it. I love all the different patterns. The shirt has a slight pattern, the pants too. I think I could pull this off on a normal day, on a special normal day. I flew in from LA. I got in yesterday and I'm leaving tomorrow. I feel pretty cracked out with jet lag, but I got a 3-hour nap in today. I canceled the meeting and I napped and I feel all the better for it.